Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot lately. Can you transfer US dollars, USD, directly to Wealthsimple Trade? For many Canadians, investing in US stocks can be a great way to diversify their portfolio and gain exposure to exciting international companies. But what if your savings are sitting pretty in USD? Can you avoid the hassle of currency conversion and fund your Wealthsimple Trade account with those greenbacks? The answer, like most things in finance, depends. So, buckle up as we explore the different scenarios and unpack the options Wealthsimple Trade offers. The core account and the conversion catch. If you're a basic Wealthsimple Trade user, with the free core account, transferring USD directly isn't quite possible. Here's the catch. Wealthsimple Trade will automatically convert any incoming USD funds to Canadian dollars, CAD, upon deposit. This means you'll incur a currency conversion fee, which can eat into your investment capital. The conversion fee itself is 1.5%, which might seem like a small percentage, but it can add up over time, especially with larger deposits. So, if you're a frequent USD investor or have a significant amount in USD you want to invest, the core account might not be the most cost-effective option. Enter USD accounts, keeping your dollars green. Thankfully, Wealthsimple Trade offers a solution, USD accounts. This is a subscription service that allows you to hold and trade in USD directly. Here's the good news. No conversion fees. With USD accounts, you can deposit USD directly from a linked Canadian USD bank account, and those sweet greenbacks will stay green. No more automatic conversion, meaning you avoid those pesky fees. Transferring existing USD holdings. Have USD investments sitting in another brokerage? You can transfer those holdings directly to your Wealthsimple Trade USD account, again, without any currency conversion. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind with USD accounts. Subscription fee. There's a monthly subscription fee associated with USD accounts. While the exact cost depends on your account balance, it's important to factor this into your decision. Minimum deposit. There's also a minimum deposit requirement to activate your USD account. The verdict, core versus USD accounts. So, which option is right for you? Here's a quick breakdown. Core account, ideal for casual investors who don't mind occasional USD deposits and are comfortable with the 1.5% conversion fee. USD accounts, perfect for frequent USD investors, those with significant USD holdings, or anyone who wants to avoid currency conversion fees. However, keep in mind the subscription fee and minimum deposit requirement. Beyond the basics, other considerations. Now, we've covered the core options, but there are a few other things to think about. Tax implications. Remember, there might be tax implications for holding USD assets. It's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional. Alternatives to USD accounts. Some savvy investors use strategies like Norbert's Gambit to avoid conversion fees. However, these strategies can be complex and require some financial knowledge. The final takeaway. The ability to trade with USD on Wealthsimple Trade opens doors for Canadian investors. Whether you choose the core account or opt for USD accounts, it's all about finding the most cost-effective and convenient way to fuel your investing journey. Remember, do your research, understand the fees involved, and choose the option that best suits your investment goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.